This weather combination that we're seeing right now with all of the snow and the cold is unlike anything that we've seen in decades. But we're changing some of the conditions in the city, and I want everybody to realize just how serious all of this is right now.
People at home turn on the TV, they just expect it to be there. It's like, you know, it's oxygen. It's like we're the electric company or we're the water company, we're the media company. You just turn it on, it's automatically there.
We're picking up several inches of snow now on the ground, and the storm's beginning to show its teeth a little bit. It will intensify later on this afternoon.
Right now, and then we got to figure out what they're expecting of us, which do we understand what that is?
Well, I'm just going to set up and be ready to do live hits.
All right, then I tell you what. Why don't we go over there? Why don't you set up and get a signal? I'll start working the phones and start finding out what's going on. I've already talked to firemen here. I'm going to call the sheriff and emergency management, because you want to try to make sure you're covering all the angles so you've got a pretty fair representation of what it's like in the city. So start on the side and I'll walk into the shot, okay? All right, hold on. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, check. Hello. Hello.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. The sign on Sugar Grove Elementary School says classes resume on January 6th. Want to bet? Alright, good luck guys, we'll be around, be cool. You be good.
It's tough. I mean, in the last 20 minutes we've been driving, we've almost gotten stuck twice, and you want to be safe. You don't want to put yourself in danger, but you want to also get shots like this just to kind of show what we're dealing with out here.
All right, very good, thank you. Bye. All right, well, right now, because of this weather, and you know what it does to your home satellite dish, well, that's some of the problems we're running into now trying to hook up our satellite connection.
But it's not in load. I don't know where it is now, because now the lights are coming on. Yeah, I could do microwave from here.
All right, so where are we at?
We have a dead truck.
No! You know, I think it's this parking lot.
It's the same truck.
You know what? Oh, look! Our rescue is here! Woo! Brian's here with some gear. This may be the first. This isn't the last problem we're going to run into in order to get our equipment to work in conditions like this for our viewers, to let them know what it's like out here in this environment so they don't have to come out here.
Now, Fox 59's Russ McQuaid has been keeping an eye on the deteriorating situation there as well. He joins us from Greenwood with a look at what's going on there.
If you take a look over there, that is Ryan Reese, and he's a snowplow driver out. You aren't going to want to be out and plow it. In Johnson County, Russ McQuaid, Fox 59 News. Okay, let's send him that back so it looks like we're doing something for a living.
There you go. Is this a four-wheel drive vehicle? Guess we'll find out, eh? Or just see if there's any people there. Man, look at this. I guess the plows did come through here, Sean. Are we going to be able to bust through there? You need me to get out. How about I get out and I kick this over a little bit, huh? Are you kidding me? Not even that deep. Oh, this is stupid. It seemed like a good idea at the time, didn't it? Let's take a run and stab at it. That was fun. Let's see Brian Williams do that. Oh, I gotta get out of here. This would be a lot better if it was a minivan with a mom and some kids. Go, baby, go! Punch it, babe. Punch it, dog! Punch it, dog! Ah, no doubt! No doubt! Hand it all away! That was fun. Let's not do that again.
We're down. This is brutal cold. We're talking about a record for the date and temperatures that we haven't felt here in 20 years. We'll send it back.
right, here we go in 3. I'm Russ McQuaid in Greenwood, where you can tell by the wind that the storm is coming up a lot fierce and a lot worse than it was just a few hours ago. This is a public service somewhat akin to the doctors and nurses that got to get into the hospitals, or the staff that goes and has to like make sure that everybody's taken care of at a nursing home, or even these snowplow drivers. Boy, is this miserable. Wow. Hey, let's not push our luck. Let's go home. All right. I think we've seen enough adventures.